Hi everyone, I'm Justin from VXT, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the divert step in your callflow. First, find the admin section at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. In the admin section, find callflow builder. Now, to create a new callflow, click the plus new callflow at the top right-hand side of your screen. Now, let's set up your callflow. To start the callflow, click the plus icon under incoming call, and then click schedule. To configure your business hours, click Configure. I'm going to set this to 8:30. Once you set up your business hours, click Save. In my inside hours, when a call comes in, I want it to ring me. So plus icon, ring users, and then click Assigned Users, and then Justin. If a call is unanswered, I want it to be diverted to another number. So click the plus icon under Unanswered, and then click Divert. Click Select. Here, you can choose from your contacts or type a specific number, or you can also select one of your teammates. So, I want it to be diverted to Chelsea. And then, in my outside hours, I also want it to be diverted to Chelsea. So click the plus icon, click Connect, then click Divert. Lastly, don't forget to name your call flow. Hit Save, and that's it. That's how you use the divert step in your call flows. Thanks for watching.